Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about Salice hinges. You may think a hinge is just a hinge, but when you think about how often cabinet doors are opened and closed, you soon realize that using a quality hinge is very important. Salice hinges are designed and made in Italy by Salice, who have been around since 1957. In fact, Salice are the world's oldest hinge manufacturer. So why choose Salice over other brands? Here's the key reasons. Salice hinges are streamlined. So Salice's soft close mechanism is in the hinge cup. So it's streamlined and makes for a more attractive look after installation. Salice hinges have one-step adjustment after installation. Salice is the only hinge that retains the 2 mm gap between door and cabinet carcass when you adjust the hinge. So adjustment is a one-step rather than a multi-step process. Salice hinges are designed for easy restrictor clip addition. The Salice restrictor clip, to limit the door opening, can be added without uninstalling the hinge. That makes for a much quicker and easier job. Naturally, Salice hinges are soft close. As soft close hinges slow the door's movement so it doesn't crash shut. This can reduce wear and tear and therefore extend the life of the cabinets. They also mean the doors close quietly, virtually eliminating those crash bang noises that we all hate. Salice have a fast soft close recovery time as well. This means that if you close a door then open it again quickly, the soft close function will still be live. Salice hinges have a good soft close adjustability as well. They're easily adjusted so you can make that soft close action faster or slower, which may be necessary if your door is heavier or lighter than standard doors. And here's one more point for the hardware geeks out there. Salice's soft close mechanism has 2 oil dampers. So if you have a big or heavy door, you can have both dampers in action. Or if you have a lighter door, you can turn one damper off so the movement is still controlled well.